Welcome back to NKUSA Car, the channel where we bring you the most exciting updates from the automotive world. From groundbreaking reveals to in-depth reviews of cars that define performance and style. If you're a true car enthusiast, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned, because today we have something truly legendary to talk about. The automotive industry has been buzzing, and for good reason. Ford has just officially unveiled the brand new 2026 Ford Torino GT 429, a nameplate that carries with it decades of history and passion for American muscle. This is not just a car, it's a rebirth of an icon, designed for a new generation while paying tribute to the golden era of performance machines. From the moment you see it, the 2026 Torino GT 429 commands attention. Its wide stance, sculpted body lines, and aggressive aerodynamics all tell you that this is a muscle car built for the modern age. Ford designers took clear inspiration from the original Torino of the late 60s and early 70s, blending that classic muscle heritage with futuristic styling cues. Up front, a bold grille takes center stage, flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that stretch back toward the fenders. The hood features subtle bulges, a nod to the powerhouse sitting beneath it, while the rear end showcases quad exhaust tips and tail lights that reinterpret the classic Torino look with a cutting-edge twist. But, of course, what makes this car a true Torino GT 429 is what lives under the hood. Ford has brought back the spirit of the legendary 429 engine, reimagined for 2026. The new model boasts a 7.0-liter V8 producing a stunning 650 horsepower, paired with hybrid technology that not only improves efficiency, but also adds instant torque. This combination results in acceleration figures that put the Torino in supercar territory, with a 0 to 60 time of just 3.4 seconds. It's the kind of performance that honors the raw power of the original while embracing the future of automotive engineering. The Torino GT 429 is more than just straight-line speed. Ford has equipped it with adaptive suspension, an advanced all-wheel drive system, and active aerodynamics to deliver handling precision that rivals European sports cars. For those who prefer the classic feel, Ford is also offering a rear-wheel drive performance package, ensuring purists can still experience that traditional muscle car thrill. This balance between modern technology and old-school driving spirit makes the Torino stand out in a crowded performance market. Step inside, and the cabin makes just as bold of a statement. Ford has blended retro cues with state-of-the-art technology, creating an interior that feels both nostalgic and futuristic. The driver is greeted by a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized with classic-style gauges, as well as a large central touchscreen powered by the latest sync system. Materials include premium leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, giving the Torino an upscale yet aggressive vibe. A Heritage Edition package adds unique stitching, special plaques, and even nods to the Torino's racing past, making it a true collector's dream. The technology suite inside the Torino GT 429 is just as advanced as you'd expect from a modern flagship. Standard features include wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, over-the-air updates, and a full suite of driver assistance systems. Performance fans will love the integrated track telemetry system, while those who enjoy the finer things can opt for an immersive premium sound system tuned for crystal clarity. Ford has made it clear that this car represents more than just another release. It's a statement. The Torino GT 429 is a perfect blend of heritage, power, and innovation. Pricing is expected to begin at around $70,000, with top trims approaching $90,000. For what you get, this positions the Torino as not only a performance powerhouse, but also as a serious contender in the global muscle and sports car arena. The unveiling of the 2026 Ford Torino GT 429 is more than just the return of a name. It's the return of a legend, redefined for today's roads and tomorrow's challenges. Ford has successfully captured the soul of the past and infused it with the future, creating a muscle car that is as iconic as it is innovative. That wraps up today's look at the new Ford Torino GT 429. What do you think about Ford's decision to revive this classic nameplate? Do you think it lives up to the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NKUSA Car for more exclusive updates from the world of performance and innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.